All right. Okay. So right. Okay. So right now, how you are seeing the blogs is this is actually a blog archive. Okay. So let's say if you post two blogs for real estates, then you will actually see real estate being repeated twice. Just like you are seeing labor and employment blog being repeated twice in the line.
What do you mean labor and employment repeated
So,
twice?
so how this system is actually built right now, whenever you will add a blog,
Uh-huh.
so this will actually come on archive as a date, okay? And this is actually what you're asking for uh, can be done using the drop down. So if you just want to see real estate uh,
Right.
blogs, just click on real estate and you will just see real estate blogs, okay? But over
Okay.
here, everything listed is archived using dates.
Using dates, the published date.
Yes, the published date.
Okay.
So you can actually see second and third is actually same category, but different blocks.
Right, because it should be in date order, correct?
Right.
Right, so if I go to the drop down and select, I guess, labor and employment, it'll just show labor and employment as
Yeah.
such.
Yes. There is no dedicated page to this. This is the only page which is actually doing this function.
Right. Um, so that's good,
Right.
correct?
This is how
Okay.
it's working. We haven't changed this functionality. This is how it was. It took us
Right.
like I was also thinking before starting that there should be an archive page dedicated to labor or any other category, but no, this is how it works over here.
Yes, correct. Because it can all be siphoned through here.
Right.
So my question on earlier was that if you click on, for example, I'll just click on this one, real estate.
Right.
So if we click on Daniel Pollock, the purple accordion appears there
Right.
under blog,
Okay.
which is good, right? Like so, here,
Yep.
right? That's working nicely. That's the way it's supposed to be.
Yep.
The same function should happen here in practices. So if I clicked on real estate, there should be a purple accordion here. We don't have the content in there, but the purple accordion should appear there as well. You
Was
follow?
was the function already made to do this?
Yes. So I guess my point is so that anything that appears in here in insights or in blogs is tied to both a professional and a practice, or practices, or professionals, plural.
Yes.
You follow? So that purple accordion that is appearing now for the professionals, which is correct, also should appear in the practice area.
Right. Was this particular function working before?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, and just they both had the same functions almost, the practice areas and the professionals. In other words, the purple accordion here, the purple accordions here can be done. See, this was a test. This insights here. You
Right.
see how it picked up that's how I know it was working previously,
Okay.
because we did a test insights and just connected it to this. So
Can we do the same test right now on one of the
sure.
blogs? Let's do that.
Okay. Do you want me to go into blogs?
Any blog, yeah.
Okay. And maybe it will work. So I'll go to I'll stay on this one, real estate.
Yeah, edit it. Yeah, edit this one.
So you've got this, which is good.
Right.
So I'm a little slow. So here, this is why it's connecting to him, I guess, because we called him out.
Right, and this is already connected to practices.
It's already connected, but it's not appearing there.
Okay, so
I think, unless I need to flush the cache or something. You want me to flush the cache?
I don't think so. That would help.
Okay.
It's not coming. Okay, again, this is, I guess, a bug. So, okay, no problems. We can take care of that.
So just so you know, just like the professionals, if we go into practices,
You can actually assign it yourself. Okay, you can do it vice versa from the inside itself or from.
right, you see it has this accordion, add a row.
Okay, I add a row, but how can I add a blog into it? How can I?
See, the blog and the insights is done automatically. So the only reason we would add other accordions if they have some special accolades or some special call out features. Maybe I can go there now. Practices. Let me go to health law. You see?
Yep.
So a lot of it will just be picked up from insights, right? It'll say insights here instead of news. It'll say blogs. But if they want to add something else that says awards or something, so
Yes.
that will be done manually. The other part, but the insights and the blogs should come directly from this function.
Right. Okay. Sorry to interrupt you, but yeah, my developer actually was working on this, and this actually worked. So in the chat, I'm sending you this link for health law practice. You will see over there, the blogs is actually appearing, but there's a bug. I will show you that. Do you see the chat in Zoom meeting? Do you see it?
Where do I go for that?
Are you using a Mac or a window? No, not here. There's a dashboard for Zoom. It might
Oh,
come.
it says more.
Yeah, you will see a chat popped up over there.
There it is.
Yeah, so you see it. Okay.
So go. You want me to go there?
Yep.
I'm very slow, Patrick. Thank you.
No problem. Do you see the blogs are coming over here? We actually did this. So the problem is the blogs are coming, but we have a bug. It's also showing this blogs, which says TBD. I don't know where it is coming from. Maybe someone added it.
I
And
know where it's coming from. I know because when we put, I think. Let me just see. It's coming from here.
should we just
This can just be deleted. I had probably set that up just because it was a TBD. I know the other one was going to override it.
okay.
So in theory, can I delete it now?
Oh yes, please go ahead. We didn't want it to.
Right. So when we were first setting this up, Patrick, to show our client how everything was looking and stuff, that's why you see all these TBDs in there, because we just wanted to show them the layout and how the functionality was going to work. So in the back end right now, in practices and in the professionals, there might be a few people that it says blogs or insights, like one says insights FPO, because I knew it was going to come from the insight section. but I was just putting that in there just like as a placeholder almost.
Can you scroll down in this page?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Down further.
Yep. Yep. I just want to see the blogs. So
You
now we
won't see it. You won't see it here now because it's coming from the insights. You won't see it here.
right. So the problem is it works for health law, but it's not working for real estates. This is again,
Okay.
we just saw real estate before this, right?
Right.
It's not showing, but in health law, it's showing,
Yes.
right?
See
So
that?
this is,
Well,
yeah, and it's worked fine. It worked fine. The only bug over there is the date. The date.
this little date here or
Yes,
this date?
yes. But
That
actually,
one?
it should be maybe it should be 2017 something.
Yeah. Is that the published date?
Oh,
Like in other words, you have to go in and select the actual date that it was published.
oh yes. So
So if they go in that, they're gonna have to manually change
no.
this to
Uh,
match.
so if you open this blog, you actually see the old date, 2017. Okay,
Correct.
but it's not pulling this date. Okay, so
Correct.
we're working on this. So
Well,
someone else would actually take the date, the old date that we are giving to it. Okay.
okay. Can they do it this way? And this is what I thought was going to have to be done was that they would have to go over here, right? If we edit this, I forget the date already. What was it?
October 16, 2017. Yes.
Oh, I guess I have to go to what was the What's the practice? Oh, health law.
Health law. Yep. No, it
See,
didn't.
that should change there. I
It
thought
didn't.
that's where it was going to
Yeah.
change.
So we need to fix this too.
Unless it's remembering.
Yeah. I really thought it was just a copy and paste job. No, there are some bugs because see that the previous developer was actually not aware of this fact that you would be putting all the blogs from the previous website, and these are tweaks that he never worked on. So he built a system which is great. The logics are working good. Okay, he never thought of this logic that the date which is being shown over there is the real published date.
Right. Can I just try this again?
Yeah,
Here,
just do it.
October. It didn't change it. That's why. 2017, and this was the 16th.
Yeah, and press OK.
Okay. Then update. Now it's holding. Okay. View insight.
Go to health.
Sorry, I'm very slow.
No problems.
I need more coffee.
Hey, actually, yeah, it's not. No, it's not.
Yeah.
But did you notice it's it was the
Here it. What is this one? This is 2016, 2017.
oh, I guess
Did I change the wrong one?
I
I
know.
thought I clicked on this one. Because I had noticed when playing around with that previously a while back that if I changed the date, it was changing here.
Okay.
So if I go to
Let's click on health law from the drop down.
Oh, here. Here it's correct, right?
Yep.
Now, let me just do me a favor. This. So this is correct. This is correct. Darn it! Is this the same one? Oh, wait a second. What's the name of the blog?
Yeah, it's the third one. It's coming good now.
That's right. It's tied into the publish date.
Okay, it works.
So I guess at one point I had mentioned they're going to have to change the publish date, which I was calling this area, you know, to match the blog date. I'm in the practice now, not the blog, but you know what I mean.
All right, so this is actually working. That's good. So moving to the next topic, subcategories. We are still working on it. Okay,
Okay.
that will take some time. And what we will actually do is I will ask my team to actually remove these 20 blogs, because that is like these would if the functions once approved with you with the testing, we will actually remove all the 20 blogs and do it from scratch. I guess that will make more, the 20 blogs would not be duplicate, and there will be no clash or anything like that.
Okay. Whatever you think is the best way to go on
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, just leave it on us. Rest, I have one more update for you, the PDF. Hold on.
The PDF.
Yeah, but the header and footer is done, but we are still working on bringing these purple accordions to the PDF,
Right.
which might take more time. Uh, give me,
This symbol, Patrick, can these be moved someplace else?
sorry?
The PDF symbol, and can it be moved someplace else?
Oh no, it cannot be done on the menu or sorry, the header or footer, because this is actually the
Can it
placement.
be moved? Can it be moved over here?
Okay, yeah, hopefully yes. Yeah, let's try this. Yeah, the header and footer that you gave is up and running on it.
Okay.
Yep. So we
And
are
they're
working.
working to get this other stuff in there.
Yeah, the image, the hero image, and the purple accordions. So let me ask you this. So do you want these purple accordions? I'm just reconfirming it with the content. Like, let's say it's yeah. It does it needs to be collapsed for all of this with the content in the PDF?
You mean when you say you mean open?
Yes, open.
Yes, it needs to be open.
And it should show this content too.
This content.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Because if
Right.
somebody wants to print this page, they should be able to print without having to print one thing at a time.
Right. We have the print function working too.
Okay, cool.
Why don't you click on it and see?
I'm afraid to click on anything.
And now you just need to print using your printer. It's giving you the format. Everything is done. So I'm not a Mac person, but in Windows, I actually just need to Control plus P for printer, or just I have a tab on Google Chrome to print, and it can be printed to any printer which is connected to your computer.
Yeah,
Again,
that's
yeah.
Command P on Mac.
Yep.
Okay. And there's things like this, like right now it's all justified. If later on I want to say, can we make this flush left? Can we do that? It's not a big deal, right?
Oh, it's actually taking, so you mean by left aligned, right? It is actually.
Yes.
So let's,
See, it's justified right now.
Justified. You want it left align. Okay. Yeah.
Yes,
You have that option, I guess. Yep.
I'm sure. I'm sure it does.
Left align. Okay. And we are working on the image and the purple coordinates for this.
Okay, very good.
Yep.
Very good. Now that plugin, you're using a different plugin than the one that we already had in there,
Yeah.
correct?
Yeah. And we actually tried several plugins out there.
Mm,
I purchased two and they didn't work. And this is the one which is the most promising so far. And we are actually trying to customize it to bring that image and the purple accordions with the text as we discussed now.
okay.
Yep.
Okay. Well, I know it's been a learning curve because you kind of came in on this 3/4 of the way through, so I understand. So,
I was bad with my timeline that I gave you for this.
what's that?
I was bad with my timeline that I gave you for this, for sure.
Well, you just, I thought you would have it all done in like a half hour.
Yeah. Yeah, it's the Christmas surprise for you, I guess.
Yeah, right. If we, um, so what do we need to do from here? How much? You tell me what you need in terms of timing, and I'll be acceptable to it.
Yeah,
Like I
so
said the other day, Patrick, I just want the functionality and everything to be working properly.
right. Yeah. Yeah, that's our main priority too, because moving the content was not so much hard. It's